dami nangyari today. Grabe, legit. Di ko alam. Hi guys, it's been a while. Welcome to my vlog and it's me, Sai. Ang daming nangyari. From work, academic, career, sa passion ko for music because as you can see, Psych is already a band.
You don't wanna leave and pray.
Nung sa una kong banda.
Hi! I am now going back to the library. So, ganun pala talaga yun, no? If you're really doing good for the community, really passionate ka and you just do what you need to do, parang pinabless ka talaga ni universe.
No, there's nothing much. It's,
Okay, go!
it's really short.
I just arrived in Singapore. Sobrang bobo ko kasi going back to Manila yung pinuntahan kong Guys, nearest to immigration. Iniwan na nila yung luggage ko dyan. After my flight, meeting agad. So to give you an update, cancel yung meeting ko for today kasi nga nag-aalala na kasi sa akin yung boss ko. Preparing for tomorrow's exhibition, and on our end it's already okay. This is our booth. I designed the booth here, so I'm so happy for the design that I did, although I have one mistake lang. It's all okay, na-prepare na lahat.
I'm Jack, and this is Mr. Ong.
Oh, Mr. Jack, Mr. Ong, I'm Sai.
I'm now in... Ano nga ito? I forgot. Anong building to? Yeah, I forgot what building this is. May tinatapos. So, ayun. I'm going back to Box Building. Let's do this. Umuulan eh. So, papunta kasi ako sa ano ngayon? Sa Gokong Way. Because I need to... Oh, there's a chunky cattle coming at me. Hello! Hi! How are you? Hey! Nice to meet you. Hello. Oops. Wait. Sorry. Hello. Hello. Sorry about earlier. Naano ako eh. Hello. Ang taba. Hey, Milky. Hi, Greyhound. So, ayun na nga. Naglalakad ako ngayon because tatapusin ko yung plan ko for my life. No, I have to organize my life. Walking in the rain. Walking. Dito sa Lazal, meron kang dadaanan kasi lalabas ka pa ng Lazal para makapunta sa another building. So, ay. Going home. Grab po. Ah, yes po. Yes po.